Hello everyone, this is Yana and you're watching Unique Juice Design channel. If you're new in jewelry making or if you have a drill stone cabochon and you're wondering what use to make of it, this tutorial is just for you. For this tutorial you will need about 30 cm of 20 gauge wire. I am using half hard bare copper wire. And some weaving wire. Mine is 26 gauge which is 0.4 mm. You will also need a drilled flat stone cabochon. Mine is a tiger eye 25 by 18 mm. You can use any cabochon that you have, just make sure it is drilled. For the decoration of the pendant, we will use few 4 mm matching beads. Don't worry if you don't have any loose beads, you can still make the pendant without them. The pliers I am using are cutting pliers and bent chain nose pliers. If you don't have pliers, I will leave a link below in the description where you can buy them from. So let's get started. Take the wire and slide it through the stone. Leave about 4 cm and bend the wire. With the pliers, make a swirl from the end of the wire. Hold the pendant well and with your fingers start straightening the wire. If you have your wire straightened, it will be easier to work with. Now let's make our veil. I am using a crayon. You can use a pen or a pencil or any similar object. Hold well and rub twice with the wire. Adjust it with your fingers and with the wire wrap around the veil to secure it. Well, you just learned how to make a veil for a pendant. Hold the veil with your fingers and with the wire wrap around one more time. Take the weaving wire, leave a short tail so it will be easier for you to hold both wires well. With the weaving wire, start coiling on the base wire. Cut the short tail we left in the beginning of the weaving wire and snag it with the pliers. Hold the veil well with your fingers and wrap twice around with the wires. And again, with the weaving wire, start coiling around the base wire. Wrap twice the wires around the stone. Don't forget to hold well the veil with your fingers. And one more time start coiling with the weaving wire around the base wire. And finally, wrap the wires around the stone and with the weaving wire make few more coils around the base wire. Trim the weaving wire and snug it with the pliers so it won't scratch. Take the beads and slide them on the wire. With the pliers, make a swirl from the end of the wire. Here we have our pendant ready. Now we have to secure it. Cut a few centimeters from the weaving wire. Take the weaving wire and leave a short tail to hold the two wires well. Wrap few times around the base wire. With the weaving wire, connect the two base wires by wrapping around them few times. Now that we have the two wires secured, wrap few times around one of the base wires. Trim the excess weaving wire and snug it with the pliers. You just learned how to make this lovely and very easy pendant. If you'd like, you can make it more interesting by adjusting the bail. Slightly separate the two wires. You can use the pliers or you can use your nails. Hey, the next time you're invited to a birthday party or you just want to make a special gift for someone you care, and you have a drill cabochon and some wire at home, you can use that idea and make a pendant just like this one. Let me know in the comments below if you find this tutorial useful and if you like me to make some more tutorials like this one. If you like this tutorial, give me thumbs up. For more videos, subscribe and press the bell button.